Welcome, third graders, to lesson 4 of our writing unit. Again, just like with the last lessons, make sure that you've watched lessons 1, 2, and 3 before you watch this video. So if you haven't done that, go do that right now and then you can come back. But if you're ready, let's get started. So, writers, do you remember a long time ago when we were writing true stories, our small moments? Some of our ideas or our stories were so short that if when we read them to the class, it only took a few seconds to tell the entire story. The same is true for a lot of our opinion writing. I've noticed a lot of this happening in your opinion writing. You name your opinion and which thing is best, say some quick reasons about what's best, and then presto, your piece of writing is done. That's why today, our learning target is I can elaborate in my opinion writing to make it even stronger. Today I want to teach you that elaboration, which means saying more, is as important when you are doing opinion writing as it is when you're writing narratives, true stories, or information writing. I know you've heard me tell you about how important it is to elaborate. It just makes your writing so much stronger. One way to say more is to think about the choices that you could have made and then to write about why you didn't make those choices. So this is, don't just say why, but say why not. So remember back when I was picking dragons and I picked the pink dragon? I can say more in my opinion writing about that if I also say why I didn't choose another dragon that I think many people might have chosen. To do this, we need to get good at writing not just why, but also why not. You can practice those skills with a game called Would You Rather, and I love to play this game with my class. I think it is so fun to hear what you guys choose and hear what you think. So how it works if you haven't played it is I ask a would you rather question where I say, would you rather have this choice or that choice? And then the students think about which one they would choose and they say why. The trick is that you also think about which choice you did not choose and say why you didn't choose it. You want to try? Okay, here's the first one. Would you rather be able to fly or be invisible? Think about your choice. Don't just pick one and say why. You also have to say why you didn't make the other choice. So what would you choose? I asked Mr. Hinton, and he said he would rather fly because then he could go anywhere in the world. I reminded him to tell me why he didn't pick the other choice, and he said he didn't pick being invisible because the perk to being invisible is being able to spy on people, which doesn't sound like very much fun to him. And when you're invisible, you can't go anywhere, like when you can fly. Let's do another one. Okay, in this one, would you rather explore outer space or explore the bottom of the ocean? Think about your choice. Now think about why you chose that. Now think about the reasons why you didn't choose the other choice. I would rather choose explore the bottom of the ocean because I think the ocean is really interesting and I love being underwater. I did not choose outer space because I think being in space would be really scary. I also wouldn't want to take that rocket up to space. Yikes. Notice how I told you why I chose to explore the ocean, and I also explained why I didn't choose to explore outer space. We need to do this in our writing as well. So, to practice saying more or elaborating about the dragon collection, let's look at some writing a student did about which dragon was the cutest. So they gave an award for the cutest dragon, and this is what they said. They said, the pink dragon wins the award for cutest dragon. It is not scary at all. It has no claws or fire or anything mean. But the pink dragon does have small cutie pie wings, and it has soft, big eyes. The pink dragon's wings are really cute. They probably can't let the dragon fly, but they are really cute. The wings almost look like angel wings. So to say more or to elaborate about the pink dragon's wings, we can think about which other dragon wings were kind of cute and talk about why we didn't choose the other dragon as the cutest. So let's look back at our dragon collection. As I'm looking at these dragons, I think the baby dragon in the shell is the pink dragon's main competition for cutest dragon. So if it's between those two dragons, I would ask, if you want a dragon with cute wings, would you rather have the pink dragon or the baby dragon in the shell? I would not just answer, the pink dragon is the cutest because the wings are cuter than the baby dragon's wings. No, because I need to say why and why not. So I need to think, well, why aren't the wings on the baby dragon that cute? So I'm going to add to and revise the writing from the last slide. And now let me read it to you. Okay, so now it says, the dragon wins the award for the cutest dragon. It's not scary at all. It has no claws or fire or anything mean, but the pink dragon has small cutie pie wings, has soft big eyes. The pink dragon's wings are really cute. They probably can't let the dragon fly, but they are really cute. The wings almost look like angel wings. So that was the writing from before, where the author is giving really good reasons as to why the pink dragon is cute, but they haven't said why not yet. So I'm adding on to this. Here's what I added. The wings on the pink dragon are cuter than the wings on the newborn dragon because oh, here's my reason why I didn't choose the newborn dragon. Because we can't even see the baby's wings. They're all wet and scrunched up still. But the pink dragon's wings seem fully grown. Writers, do you see that the way we added to the argument about the wings being cute was by talking not just about the choice we did make, but about the choice we did not make? So today, here's your job. Today, you are going to be practicing this new skill and writing a new piece. In your learning packet, you will find the assignment for lesson 4. Your job today is to write a strong opinion for which would make a better pet, a cat or a dog. If you're one of my students, you know which animal I think would make a better pet. You can treat this like a would you rather question and say, which would you rather have, a dog or a cat? But remember, you also need to say why you don't think the other choice would make a better pet. There's a checklist in your learning packet, and I want you to use that checklist to make sure that you're not forgetting any important parts of strong opinion writing that you've learned so far. As always, if you have any questions or if this is challenging for you, please reach out to me or Mr. Davis or Mrs. Seville, and we would love to help you. I'm excited again to hear your writing in our Zoom small group, and I hope you have fun with this. All right, bye guys.